So, Assalamualaikum to each and everyone and good morning. I am Johanna Bantuas Bangon and now I will discuss the chapter 5 lesson 7, which is the title is academic presentation. So, first, what is an academic presentation? An academic presentation takes some form, but the purpose is very different. Specifically, the academic presentation represent an oral examination, and it is between the presenter and the audience. So, an academic presentation can be used in Microsoft PowerPoint. Then, before the presenter start, he or she introduce her or his self first to the audience. Then, the presenter have a different technique on how their audience listen to them and to participate on while he or she present. So their technique are different. Some of the presenter tells a story that related on his topic or what he represent on the or on the front of the audience. Then some of the presenter mix an activity to participate their audience. So there are 3 P in the academic presentation: the plan, prepare, and the last one is present. So first one is plan. So what is plan? So of course, when we before we start on the presentation, we plan first on how our presentation will be effective on the audience. And how we prepare in our presentation, we set a objective first to evaluate our audience and the context. So setting your objective. So in this part, you will know, or the audience will know, what is your purpose, why you deliver your presentation, and what will be the lesson they will learn before you're done on presentation. And sometimes we put on the last part an activity to so setting your objective. So in this part, you will know, or the audience will know, what is your purpose, why you deliver your presentation, and what will be the lesson they will learn before you're done on presentation. And so evaluating your audience. So in this part, you will need to know the profile of your audience, identifying your audience, adapting a speech of their interest, level of their understanding, attitude, and belief. So evaluating your context. So in this part, you need to look first the environmental condition of the of your venue. the venue of the presentation. So of course, if it is you need to look the weather first, if it is raining or sunny. Of course, if it is sunny, and you need to know what is the tone of your voice if it is sunny or it is raining. So you need also to know the color of your visual, the visual, if it is morning or afternoon, to be to read well of your audience, even if it is in the back of the classroom or in the room of that presentation. And of course, you need to know the font size of your font size you will use on your visual to be readable by your audience, if it especially in the back of the room on the venue. Then we will proceed on the prepare. So now that we are done to set our objective and evaluating your audience and context, in this part, you need to know the content of your visual. Then prepare the content. So in prepare the content, it is the presentation includes the introduction, body, and conclusion. So first, the introduction. So what is introduction? So introduction is the details. It is enough details to caught the attention of your audience, but it is not all the details of you will present are contained on this part. So the body, of course, the body of our presentation, it is the most important in our presentation, because it is the body. From the word itself, body. The body of our presentation are contain all the details of what you will present on your presentation. It is all the important all of the important details or information is are included on this part. So conclusion, after the body, after the presentation, there are conclusion. So prepare the visuals, and of course the visuals are very important on our presentation, because it is help us to attract the audience, especially to those who have a talent to make an very colorful and attractive visual aid of their presentation. So prepare yourself, of course, before you present, you need to prepare yourself by sometimes we prepare ourselves by practicing our presentation, practicing and read read again and again on what we present of on the audience. Go to the venue early, and you need to practice your hand gestures. And the last one is take a breath before you start on the presentations. So the last one is the present. So in present, you will need to go to the venue earlier, then check your multimedia projector or the other things visual that you will use on your projector, on your presentation. Then have small talk with your audience to help you to lessen your nervous or anxiety. And the last one is always bring your smile on the audience. That's all. Thank you.